Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. The world of interior design is continually evolving, and when it comes to organizing and displaying books, the latest bookshelf ideas offer both functionality and a creative touch to any living space. One of the most prominent trends in contemporary bookshelves is the concept of modular and customizable units. These versatile bookshelves allow homeowners to adapt their storage solutions to fit their needs, whether it's showcasing an extensive look collection, decorative items, or a combination of both. Another popular idea is the use of unconventional materials for bookshelves, such as reclaimed wood, metal, or glass, which adds an element of uniqueness and character to any room. Floating bookshelves, which appear to gravity by attaching directly to the wall without visible brackets, create a visually stunning and space-saving solution. In terms of aesthetics, designers are experimenting with various shapes, including a symmetrical ladder style and geometric designs, adding a contemporary and artistic flair to bookshelf arrangements. Moreover, incorporating integrated lighting into bookshelves not only highlights the content but also elevates the ambience of the room. Finally, the trend of blending bookshelves with other functional pieces of furniture such as desks, sofas, or room dividers has gained popularity, maximizing the utility of available space. The best latest bookshelves ideas are not only about storage but also about expressing individual style and creating captivating focal points in modern interior design. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.